Montreal is the city of love. Montreal is also a city of art, culture, and history. It's fair to say that Montreal is full of surprises. It's not hard to fall in love with Montreal. It's one of Canada's most cultured cities, with so many things to see and do. And it doesn't take much to fall in love here. It's one of the most romantic cities in North America. It's not hard to see why. It's a city that offers a unique blend of European culture, gorgeous architecture, and a vibrant art scene. Montreal, the most European of Canadian cities, is a city for lovers. Like many people, Montreal at first sight. Montreal was a friendly city that reminded of Europe with its cobblestone streets, old buildings, and the St. Lawrence River. The mix of architecture from past to present was amazing, from Gothic cathedrals to modern-day glass skyscrapers. And everywhere you look you see men and women holding hands, kissing or cuddling as they walk along this magnificent city. Montreal is not only a great city for business opportunities but also a romantic place for couples wanting to enjoy a weekend together or honeymooners looking for a new place to live. Montreal has plenty of hotels and it's easy to book a room even if you only have a couple of days available for your trip. You can choose from a nice B&B or from one of the many affordable hotels in town such. Whether you believe it or not, this city will make you fall in love. Whether it is to find yourself, for a romantic trip or to meet your significant other or even to attend a conference, this glittering city has so many opportunities that will prove the fact. This passionate city's activities are countless, incentive and can become addictive. Montreal will always be known as the City of Love, and we'll be the first to admit that we're a little biased. From romantic streets, bistros and patios to the gorgeous parks, art galleries, museums, shopping malls and boutiques, this city has it all. If you are planning on visiting Montreal or are simply curious about what it has to offer,